So we are here at DRDO's booth at the India AI Impact Summit. Let's find out what DRDO is doing that is so different in the world that they claim that it's the only place that is doing this research on a molecular level in artificial intelligence. Hi, sir. Can you please tell me what exactly is this and how DRDO is pursuing it in collaboration with IISc Bangalore?
So this is India's first Langristia-based devices. So in traditional computing, what I can say is RAM and I've divided it two different places, and data has to go RAM to CPU and back to RAM. In this, the memory and the compute is located at same place, so this is much more compute efficient, and this is tied to mimic how our brain works.
Alright.
So and all the technologies are made in-house in India and 2026.
Now let's see what exactly is the DRDO building that makes it stand apart from its peers all across the world. So what do we have here?
So actually, I am from DRDO, Young Scientist Laboratory, that is inaugurated in 2020 by our PM Narendra Modi ji. So this lab is for that only focused on AI areas. So we are building multiple things like face recognition under disguise. So what happen if people they want to enter an unauthorized area, like by making disguising their face, disguising like wearing any big and all, still we are able to identify you are not the authorized person. The second product is smart helmet. So it is useful for in non GPS denied area where like GPS is not working in particular floor or particular room. With the help of this, it can be used and it can tell your location, and multiple agent also we can map the building. The third project is speech to speech translation. That is like for a given speech, it can translate to another language, language of interest. Here, for example, we can take example of Hindi to English. If I don't know English, I can use my speech translation. It can be used for multiple languages also. Now, this is the device we have built. Actually, it is a kind of portable chalta firta machine that has compute. So it has 16 GB of GPU, which can be used for speech translation plus other applications also. So this is also a deviceal AI product.
Now this isn't an AI that can just be 80 or 90% accurate. It's about, after all, the protection of a country and its citizens. So DRDO says that its AI, that is ETAI Setu, is designed to make sure that anything and everything that goes on its servers is absolutely safe and secure. So let's find out from them what exactly does ETAI do and what it means. Ma'am, can you please tell us?
Yeah, so ETAI is basically ensuring trustworthiness in AI systems. So for that, we have released one framework and guidelines which provides the different principles and the criteria which any AI system to be used in defense should follow. And then we have also released one risk assessment toolkit for the developers, using which they can assess the compliance of their systems for these criteria against different phases. And in addition to that, we are also building one in-house lab setup where we will be performing the assessment end-to-end for all the systems.
From research on the microscopic level to implementation in terms of identifying any threats that can come upon Indian Defence Forces, the DRDO has made one thing clear with its booth today here at the India AI Summit, that whatever comes in the face of adversity, India is ready with its own research, with products made, designed and implemented in India. This is Janvi Pathak for the Economic Times from Bharat Mandapa.